Hello friends, welcome to All General Knowledge Quiz. Biology, Part 2. Question number 1. Which of the following makes the skin layer impervious to water? Option A, collagen. Option B, melanin. Option C, keratin. Option D, chitin. The answer is option C, keratin. Question number 2. The red color of human blood is due to option A, myoglobin, option B, hemoglobin, option C, immunoglobulin, option D, haptoglobin. The answer is option B, hemoglobin. The red color of human blood is due to hemoglobin. Question number 3. Which one of the following is called the digestive bag in the cell? Option A, Golgi body. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, ribosome. Option D, lysosome. The answer is option D, lysosome. Lysosome is called the digestive bag in the cell. Question number 4. Which one of the following is known as the immovable property in the cell? Option A, carbohydrate. Option B, fat. Option C, protein. Option D, nucleic acid. The answer is option D, nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is known as the immovable property in the cell. Question number 5. The average lifespan of red blood corpuscles is about option A, 100 to 200 days. Option B, 100 to 120 days. Option C, 160 to 180 days. Option D, 150 to 200 days. The answer is option A, 100 to 200 days. The average lifespan of red blood corpuscles is about 100 to 200 days. Question number 6. RBCs do not perform aerobic respiration because these do not contain option A, mitochondria, option B, nucleus, option C, endoplasmic reticulum, option D, lysosomes. The answer is option A, mitochondria. RBCs do not perform aerobic respiration because these do not contain mitochondria. Question number 7. The basic structural and functional unit of living organism is option A, cell, option B, tissue, option B, organ, option D, systems. The answer is option A, cell. The basic structural and functional unit of living organisms is cell. Question number 8. The smallest size of a cell that can be seen with naked eye is option A, 1 micron, option B, 10 micron, option C, 100 micron, option D, 1000 micron. The answer is option C, 100 micron. The smallest size of a cell that can be seen with naked eye is 100 micron. Question number 9. Blood is a option A, connective tissue, option B, epithelial tissue, option C, muscular tissue, option D, reproductive tissue. The answer is option A, connective tissue. Blood is a connective tissue. Question number 10. Tendons and ligaments are option A, connective tissue, option B, muscular tissue, option C, epithelial tissue, option D, skeletal tissue. The answer is option A, connective tissue. Tendons and ligaments are connective tissue. Question number 11. In plant-water relationship, symbol YW is used to represent option A, osmotic pressure, option B, water potential, option C, solute potential, option D, osmosis. The answer is option B, water potential. In plant-water relationship, symbol YW is used to represent water potential. Question number 12. Which bacterial strain developed from natural isolates by genetic manipulations can be used for treating oil spills? Option A, Pseudomonas. Option B, Agrobacterium. Option C, Clostridium. Option D, Nitrosomonas. The answer is option D, Nitrosomonas. Nitrosomonas is a bacterial strain developed from natural isolates by genetic manipulations that can be used for treating oil spills. Question number 13. A cellulosic wall is found in the cells of Option A, animals. Option B, bacteria. Option C, fungi. Option D, plants. The answer is option D, plants. A cellulosic wall is found in the cells of plants. Question number 14. The largest white blood corpuscle is option A, lymphocyte, option B, monocyte, option C, thrombocyte, option D, erythrocyte. The answer is option B, monocyte. The largest white blood corpuscle is monocyte. Question number 15. Crossing over occurs during option A, lepotin, option B, zygotin, option C, pakitin, option D, diplotin. The answer is option C, pakitin. Crossing over occurs during pakitin. Question number 16. Beak is formed by option A, cheeks, option B, jaws, option C, teeth, option D, none. The answer is option B, jaws. Beak is formed by jaws. Question number 17. Cell becomes turgid because of option A, plasmolysis, option B, exosmosis, option C, endosmosis, option D, diffusion. The answer is option C, endosmosis. Cell becomes turgid because of endosmosis. Question number 18. The process of imbibition involves option A, diffusion, option B, capillary action, option C, absorption, option D, both A and B. The answer is option C, absorption. The process of imbibition involves absorption. Question number 19. A cell increases in volume when it is placed in option A, hypertonic solution, option B, hypotonic solution, option C, isotonic solution, option D, none of these. The answer is option B, hypotonic solution. A cell increases in volume when it is placed in hypotonic solution. Question number 20. Intercalary meristems are found in option A, node, option B, lateral bud, option C, terminal bud, option D, internode. The answer is option D, internode. Intercalary meristems are found in internode. Question number 21. Leaves of many grasses are capable of folding and unfolding because option A, their mesophyll is not differentiated into palisade and spongy parenchyma. Option B, they have stomata on both sides of the leaf. Option C, they have high levels of silica. Option D, they have specialized bulliform cells. The answer is option D, they have specialized bulliform cells. Leaves of many grasses are capable of folding and unfolding because they have specialized bulliform cells. Question number 22. A parenchyma cell which stores ergastic substance is known as option A, phragmoblast, option B, idioblast, option C, canidioplast, option D, chloroplast. The answer is option B, idioblast. A parenchyma cell which stores ergastic substance is known as idioblast. Question number 23. Number of mitochondria in bacterial cell is option A, 1, option B, 2, option C, many, option D, 0. The answer is option D, 0. Number of mitochondria in bacterial cell is 0. Question number 24. The largest cells in mammalian blood are option A, erythrocyte, option B, monocytes, option C, basophils, option D, lymphocytes. The answer is option B, monocytes. The largest cells in mammalian blood are monocytes. Question number 25. In human body, ligaments are made up of option A, white fibers and some yellow elastic fibers, option B, white fibers only, option C, yellow fibers only, option D, yellow fibers and muscle fibers. The answer is option A, white fibers and some yellow elastic fibers. In human body, ligaments are made up of white fibers and some yellow elastic fibers. Question number 26. Which of the following organism possesses characteristics of a plant and an animal? Option A, Euglena. Option B, Mycoplasma. Option C, Paramecium. Option D, Chlorella. The answer is option A, Euglena. Euglena possesses characteristics of a plant and also an animal. Question number 27. A prokaryotic cell does not have which of the following? Option A, ribosomes. Option B, cell membrane. Option C, nucleus. Option D, DNA. The answer is option C, nucleus. A prokaryotic cell does not have nucleus. Question number 28. Which of the following insect has its scientific name as Blattaria? Option A, beetle. Option B, cockroach. Option C, mosquito. Option D, butterfly. The answer is option B, cockroach. Cockroach has its scientific name as Blattaria. Question number 29. Which of the following statements about phloem transport is correct? Option A, phloem transport occurs unidirectionally. Option B, gravity influences phloem transport. Option C, Ca plus is the most abundant cation in phloem sap. Option D, sugar transported in phloem as non-reducing sugar. The answer is option D, sugar transported in phloem as non-reducing sugar. Question number 30. Which cell organelle is the site of photosynthesis and also contains chlorophyll? Option A, chloroplasts. Option B, vacuole. Option C, cytoplasm. Option D, nucleus. The answer is option A, chloroplasts. Chloroplasts is the site of photosynthesis and also contains chlorophyll. Question number 31. Smooth muscles are likely to be found in option A, muscles of legs. Option B, muscles of arms. Option C, stomach. Option D, heart. The answer is option C, stomach. Smooth muscles are likely to be found in stomach. Question number 32. The suicidal bags of the cell are option A, lysosomes. Option B, ribosomes. Option C, dictyosomes. Option D, phagosomes. The answer is option A, lysosomes. The suicidal bags of the cell are lysosomes. Question number 33. What is the main purpose of white blood corpuscles? Option A, to carry nutrients. Option B, to combat infection. Option C, to carry oxygen. Option D, to give strength. The answer is option B, to combat infection. The main purpose of white blood corpuscles is to combat infection. Question number 34. Which of the following is not a connective tissue? Option A, bone. Option B, cartilage. Option C, blood. Option D, skeletal muscle. The answer is option D, skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is not a connective tissue. Question number 35. The chemical component that is invariably found in all viruses is option A, proteins. Option B, lipids. Option C, DNA. Option D, RNA. The answer is option A, proteins. The chemical component that is invariably found in all viruses is proteins. Question number 36. The connective tissue that connects a muscle to a bone is option A, cartilage. Option B, ligament. Option C, tendon. Option D, interstitial fluid. The answer is option C, tendon. The connective tissue that connects a muscle to a bone is tendon. Question number 37. Which of the following organisms does not fit into the cell theory? Option A, bacteria. Option B, virus. Option C, fungi. Option D, plants. The answer is option B, virus. Virus does not fit into the cell theory. Question number 38. The only living tissue in plant xylem is option A, trachea. Option B, xylem fiber. Option C, xylem parenchyma. Option D, trachid. The answer is option C, xylem parenchyma. The only living tissue in plant xylem is xylem parenchyma. Question number 39. Which is the cell organelle in which the biochemical processes of respiration and energy production occur? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, chloroplast. Option C, ribosomes. Option D, nucleus. The answer is option A, mitochondria. Mitochondria is the cell organelle in which the biochemical processes of respiration and energy production occur. Question number 40. The name of first mammal clone sheep is option A, Nuri, option B, Dolly, option C, Louis, option D, Durga. The answer is option B, Dolly. The name of first mammal clone sheep is Dolly. Question number 41. Which of the following is not a collective tissue? Option A, adipose tissue. Option B, compact bone. Option C, cardiac muscle. Option D, areolar tissue. The answer is option C, cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is not a collective tissue. Question number 42. Which of the following cell organelle is present only in plant cell? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, cell wall. Option C, cell membrane. Option C, vacuole. The answer is option B, cell wall. Cell wall is a cell organelle that is present only in plant cell. Question number 43. Endoplasmic reticulum is rough because of which of the following present on its surface? Option A, Golgi bodies. Option B, plastids. Option C, lysosomes. Option D, ribosomes. The answer is option D, ribosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum is rough because of ribosomes present on its surface. Question number 44. Which of the following cell organelle is responsible for cellular respiration? Option A, Golgi bodies. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, nucleus. Option D, lysosomes. The answer is option B, mitochondria. Mitochondria is a cell organelle which is responsible for cellular respiration. Question number 45. Synapse gap is present between which of the following? Option A, two neurons. Option B, brain and spinal cord. Option C, two kidneys. Option D, none of these. The answer is option A, two neurons. Synapse gap is present between two neurons. Question number 46. What is the name of a group of similar cells performing a specific function? Option A, tissue. Option B, organ. Option C, organ system. Option D, cellular organization. The answer is option A, tissue. A group of similar cells performing a specific function is named as tissue. Question number 47. Which among the following is not a connective tissue? Option A, blood. Option B, bone. Option C, skin. Option D, cartilage. The answer is option C, skin. Skin is not a connective tissue. Question number 48. Which of the following does not have a cell wall? Option A, euglena. Option B, paramecium. Option C, corneolax. Option D, mycoplasma. The answer is option D, mycoplasma. Mycoplasma does not have a cell wall. Question number 49. Which among the following is also called a powerhouse of the cell? Option A, plastids. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, Golgi bodies. Option D, cell wall. The answer is option B, mitochondria. Mitochondria is also called as powerhouse of the cell. Question number 50. How does a unicellular organism reproduce? Option A, cell division. Option B, cell reproduction. Option C, cell synthesis. Option D, fragmentation. The answer is option A, cell division. A unicellular organism reproduces through cell division. Thank you for watching, friends. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.